Energy on me, baby. Can you make a wish for me? Welcome back with another video. Today I'll be installing a wig. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn the post notifications so you never miss a single video. I'm installing this 13x4 frontal wig from the TikTok shop. It's body wave texture and it's really full. Putting the wig on right now to see if it's ear to ear, just in case I need to cut some extra ear tabs. As you can see, I put it down too far, so I'm gonna have to fix the back and push it back. Now I'm starting to push all the hair going to the back so it could be easier to lay the lace down, because you don't want any hair inside the lace before you lay it down with hairspray or glue. Now I'm going to push the lace back so I can start laying it down, and I'm going to be using hairspray because this is way faster and the quickest to install, because I'm about to take it off right now to do another YouTube video. But spray hairspray on it using the end of your fingers. And then I'm going to take my blow dryer on hot settings so it can get tacky. Not dry, but tacky. Now I'm going to start laying it down. And as you can see, it's laying down. Except for this small little piece. So I'm going to have to either add more hairspray on it or hold it while blow drying it. But right now I'm going to push all the hair going to the back, because there's hair inside the lace. Use the end of the comb to push the lace into your skin. And right now, as you can see, the lace is lifting. So I'm going to actually fix this in a couple seconds. I have to cut it because it's way past my ear tabs.
I dey try to buy moto, want Toyota Corolla. My feelings been this swing like Django Lover. Feelings been this swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now so much you remake could have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani cat churu churu. On my white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do?
Use more hairspray to lay it down now. This is the actual way, but I forgot to do the ear tabs, I guess.
Maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right.
Use a blow dryer, but this time you want to take cold setting so it can dry instead of tacky. Use the end of your comb and start meshing it into your skin so it can give scalp and look natural.
Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big tripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out switching sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rackets too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some bitch boat. Make the braid, this nigga start getting low. I spent time on the racks on the Lambo and didn't even know how to beat them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna live the dope. barely fit, but don't play with me. Used to follow behind in the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner. The police got the period. I fuck with shots and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. They my last and my last, I know walk her up. Count the money up, feel like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Keep the rules, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rest, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. Again, hit after he call me very fun. For the Christmas, I bought everybody clothes. Plus and choppers and infants for everyone. Take the roof out the call it up for the sun. I broke my see it up by 5,000 months. Got the bitch out the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in a gut. Nigga don't run from my collar, we second up wallow and collar. I'm trying to get it mega book. See them triple little nigga, best watch your step. This top shelf, got 40 designer belts. OTF, pull up the new BML. They gon' jump, got clothes in my right and left. How you drunk up the car, ain't no key in there. Just put us in they pockets, get out of there. They gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat it like a tire, I keep it spell. On the strap because I'm war red. Check the trunks, I'm counting more fake. Sky Explorer, Scooby, and a prison. 150 flying, Richard Menlo. But they damn it to his empty. Look, color, spit and flavor to his empty. I am not a killer, but I'm telling you, I'm spending rate 5,000 to a 50. Oh, he eating up. I fuck with shots and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe for her.
Now I'm gonna start styling this wig right quick. And I definitely want a side part. Side parts are like my favorite. So I'm gonna do that right now.
You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want like. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want like. Bitch stay mad, let's keep it a beam. When it be mad, I be on the scene. Ass too fat, can't fit in a jean. Use my stitch, but it's not what it seems. I got that ready, I'm keeping it clean. Fucking with niggas that's toting a beam. Saying you love me, but what do you mean? Pretty ass fucking ain't like that I mean. Got a bitch out, you shitting me? If you ain't a body, can't sit with me. I swear that these bitches my mini-me's. He wanna sex, niggas be dreaming. I'm from the X, niggas be scheming. I'm on their necks, niggas not breathing. I'm in a check, blow they need me. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want like. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want like. Bitch on my body, I get what I please. You know my body, I do it with ease. You in my body, he telling me please. I'm walking past me, sniffing my breeze. He jacking me, but he not my boo. He like the jewelry I wear on my boobs. How can I link you when I got a shoe? Don't want your love, I just want the blue. Grabbing my ass while I'm doing my dance. She come on staring cause shorty a fan. Gotta stick to the plan. He mad as fuck, I won't give him a chance. But still he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck in my ways. But still he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck in my ways. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want like. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want like.
Like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a can. Like Daddy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the bodies is bad. It's girls, and we ain't playing tag. Rad, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a bar.